to Ellie's Shed today. Yesterday it was my birthday and I turned 8, and my friend called Maggie, she got me this present called Fluffy Slime, and it comes with these things that you put in at the end, and I'll show you at the end what they look like. And today we are making Fluffy Slime. So it comes with instructions. So first you have to open the ceiling up to this line. Right there, you can't go past there. See? It's hard to open. And you will need a parent because I accidentally opened it. So, and then all of it.
Mm-hmm.
You fill up this cup that it comes with, and then all the way to the line, and then you pour it all in the fluffy slime. It smells like marshmallows. Oh, and you can get 3 different colours. Mum, you will have to get help, and you shake it for 30 seconds, and it smells. And you can get turquoise, which I got, purple or pink colours. Tell me to stop. You just have to do it for 30 seconds. Stop. And
10 to go.
9, 8, 6, 2, 1, 0. Oh, can I open it? Right now, you open your shaker, remove the ceiling film, and wait 5 minutes. Okay. Where will you open it? This is one of my favourite. God, guys! Can you Oh, the slime. That's why you should open it to the line. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we just won't get that bit of slime, maybe. Then you get to wait. It doesn't look perfect at the start. And you can also... And you lift it with a tool. If you have to lift it with a tool. That's what it says. So you just wait 5 minutes. So guys, you just have to wait 5 minutes, and you peel the ceiling off, and you will need help because I opened it past the bit where you meant to open it, and that was an accident. But you should have baking paper underneath, and after your 5 minutes, you get a pop stick or a tool, and then after the 5 minutes, you start lifting it and aerating it, and then, let me just read the instructions. You can add some decorations if you wish, which it comes with. And I'm definitely, guys, because I want to. Yeah, and these are the other colours you can get as your slime, pink or purple. And then you can get like a unicorn or anything by a king poop. So we have to wait 2 more minutes until my slime is ready and we can start aerating it. And I have got some baking paper there. And making slime is really fun, but not that messy, and you will need a parent to help opening the ceiling to that line, otherwise the slime will go above like it happened to me, which I wish it didn't. But that doesn't matter. And so soon we can start aerating it. Wait, I can start lifting it up?
Yeah.
Wait, so just...
Yeah? What does it say?
You can also aerate your slime by lifting it with a tool. Wow.
I think you can just pull it out now and play with it.
It's not good.
I think you've got to play with it.
This is my slime, guys. And I'm going to put the decorations in, which my mum has to open. And it's going to look super cool. I'll show you this. Oh, but before you play, you have to like stretch it and knead it and like you do with dough. And there's little bumps in it.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to stretch my slime out. And this is definitely an outside job. So just tip the ball in as much as you want. Wait, Mum, will you help me?
Yep.
Uh-oh. And I'm just going to mix it up. I'm going to put my tool in it. I don't. Hello. See you next time on #EllieShed. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later.